All right, we have a formula, and I've seen it in previous Gmat problems, that is n times n plus 1 over 2. And whatever number you plug in for n, this formula will give you the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to n. So that's what this problem is all about, because you need to sum up 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 all the way up to 50, because we're trying to figure out how much money will Sam have in his account 50 weeks from now. The first week he puts $1 in, then he puts $2 in, next week $3, $4, $5. So that last week he's actually putting $50 into his account. And he has $800 in there to start with. So we want to do 50. 50 plus 1 is 51 divided by 2. And what that formula gives you, once again, is the sum of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way up to 50. All right, so 2 will go into 50, 25. 25 times 51, that's 5. That's 2, that's 10. That's 11. That's 5. 1's 5 is 2. 5 and 5's 25. Sorry. Let me do a different color. 5 and 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10. 11, 12. So 5, 7, 2, 1 is how much collectively he puts in those 50 weeks. So 1275 plus 800, the original amount, 5, 7, 10, 2075 is the answer. It's D.